Good morning, everybody. That was a cool video. I haven't worn a tie for a long time. I was forced to wear that tie. So, but anyway, it was fun. It wasn't really tied clearly, but that's okay. So what I really want to talk about today, very quickly, is that this has to be MEF 3.0. It has to be the biggest, the boldest, and the most revolutionary announcement or framework we have put in place ever since the formation of this organization. That's how I kind of see it. If you think about it, is really true. At the time when we actually first started this organization is building on a vision of deliver a new network, a new set of services, and based upon a technology called Ethernet at that time. It's an enterprise technology. And we said that technology is going to transform the telecom industry. And sure enough, within the following 10 years, we have been really working very hard to do that. And turned out to be, we have a red vision and actually really did transform this particular industry, really helping the entire industry, not only in terms of providing the services, but also made a lot of money. We talk about $80 billion and soon to be $100 billion here as I continue to grow. And in that premise that we promised, and then also the fact that we have done is really set out the vision and actually executing on it. And if you think of what we've done about 3 years ago, we announced a new vision, which is the third network. I know a lot of people have a hard time to understand what was the third one. What's the first one? What's the third one? So if you think about it, we actually at the Carrier Ethernet network, we consider that's a brand new network in addition to the internet. And then we created the second network, which is based on Ethernet network technology and services we created. So third network is a big vision. And we said we deliver agile, assured, orchestrated services. It's kind of abstract, but if you think about it, it's really, really simple. What we're really saying is we want to deliver a service that has the internet-like agility and ubiquity, but Carrier Ethernet-like performance and security. What we're really saying is none of them are good enough. Not the internet, not the Carrier Ethernet. We deliver a new network, and the services will be the best of both worlds of those two network domains. That's a big vision. If you think about it, it really is a big vision. So we have been working really, really hard last 3 years working towards this vision and come to the fruition, which what we call it MEF 3.0. And the MEF 3.0 is a completely visionary framework which we'll put together working as a community to actually make things happen. Like the video said, that it truly is a transformational. It's transformational in a sense of being able to deliver industry with a new set of services which potentially have same or much bigger impact that Carrier Ethernet has done for our industry. So it's really deliver that to define, to deliver, to certify agile, assured, orchestrated services across a global ecosystem of automated networks. That's really, really big. But everybody's saying, why are you doing it? One of the key things I think really apparent to us is the MEF 3.0, for the very first time in the industry, empowers user with dynamic performance and security required to thrive in this digital economy. And it has the ability to be able to deliver set of the services with unprecedented user and application-directed control over network resources as well as the service capability on a global scale. So in other words, the entire world of networking resources and services at everyone's fingertips. And that's the vision we lay out for the industry. So it's big. That's why we wanted to do it. And then you said, okay, that sounds wonderful, great. And, but in reality, there are things you need to do to make that happen. So what we're really saying is we actually wanted to do it. There's 4 components, if you think about it, to actually make this thing happen. Number 1 is define the service itself. In addition to dynamic carrier Ethernet services, we're defining the IP services, we're defining the wavelength services, SD-WAN services, as well as security as a service, plus all the virtual services is really coming up in the pipeline. So we're really, really, really excited about the service aspect of it. And secondly, we're also really excited about our ability to creating a new community, which is very, very new for us. The community including our members, which is the service providers, technology providers. In addition, we added the developer communities, which is starting to cranking out the code. We really help to accelerate the development of the MEF 3.0 development in terms of being able to have the code ready. Reference implementation is a really key part of our overall improvement or development of the standards. And within that community, we also created what we call the MEFnet, which is a virtual community to be able to develop, test, integrate the new MEF 3.0 programs or frameworks to be able to really help unite the community together, whether they're in Asia or in US or in Europe. We can actually work together. So that has proven to be a very effective way to unite the community who actually have the similar vision or the same vision we're driving towards. So this is really, really, obviously very important to actually continue to do that. And also, we have one of the key things we've done, in terms of certification. We're going to continue to do that, but we actually upgraded that into cloud on-demand certification, which allow us to be able to do that for our membership or for people who are actually implementing MEF 3.0 at the press of a button to be able to cut the actual certification times from days to seconds or at least a minute. So it's really a revolutionary thing. So for us, not only just say we're testing a sample circuit, which is kind of what we've been doing, but now we're actually testing the actual circuit or actual connectivity services, or even eventually bumping the wire services as click of a button. So that's a huge and an incredible improvement. And for all the things that we do, really helping to support the MEF 3.0 framework, it's truly, like I said earlier, it's transformational. But a lot of people are going to ask about, kind of why MEF has the ability, or why not some other organizations doing it. One of the key things I think we mentioned earlier, I think both Mike and Kevin mentioned it, we're building really on our history, our track record. So we have been able to successfully doing that for carrier Ethernet, and we believe we can do that again. And the carrier Ethernet, if you think about it, it involved hundreds of companies, including 150 some MEF certified companies. In addition, we have 5,300 MEF certified professionals who are really helping us to move to the next level of sophistication in terms of the service itself. So we're actually very confident to be able to deliver this vision based on the work we've done in the past and our know-how, and also to support our members. So we're clearly very, very excited about this journey we actually on together. And we've been talking to so many service providers and then our members, which, as you know, is a predominant member in our organization. And everybody is really lining up. And we have press release going out as we speak. And if you look at that press release, is very impressive for all the, not only just the actual framework, the transformation framework we're talking about here, but also the support we be able to gather within our community. There are probably all the service providers and you know of is actually be part of that press release, not only providing the supporting quote, but we've been kind of working with the entire community to actually build tours today, which I made an announcement. So I'm really very, very excited about that. We now realize this vision, and we really wanted to go forward with overall support in terms of ability to actually make this vision a reality. So with that, I wanted to thank you so much for your help, and then thank you for coming. And we are on to a journey together, and tomorrow is a better day. Thank you so much.